Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is October 24th, 2025, and we're diving into Digital Realty's third quarter earnings report. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Digital Realty, a leader in data center solutions, has just released its Q3 2025 earnings, and there's a lot to unpack.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Digital Realty reported a revenue of $1.6 billion for Q3 2025, marking a 10% increase from the same quarter last year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The revenue growth is primarily driven by strong demand for data center services, particularly in the cloud and interconnection segments. Digital Realty's strategic focus on expanding its global footprint and enhancing its service offerings has paid off, contributing to this impressive growth.
And how about profitability?
Digital Realty's net income for the quarter was $64 million, with an Adjusted EBITDA of $868 million, up 14% year over year. This reflects the company's operational efficiencies and successful cost management strategies.
EPS performance and analyst expectations. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of $1.78, but Digital Realty reported an adjusted EPS of $1.76. Can you explain the slight miss, John?
Sure. The miss was marginal, just due 2 cents below expectations. It can be attributed to higher than anticipated operating expenses, particularly in transaction and integration costs. However, the overall financial health remains strong, and the company has raised its full-year Core FFO Outlook, which is a positive sign.
Leasing and market expansion. Digital Realty's leasing activity seems robust. They reported new bookings expected to generate $201 million in annualized revenue. How does this impact their market position?
This is significant. The new bookings, along with an 8% increase in renewal rates, underscore Digital Realty's strong market position and demand for its services. The backlog of $852 million in annualized base rent provides a solid foundation for future growth.
And what about their global expansion?
Digital Realty now operates 311 data centers worldwide, which is a testament to their aggressive expansion strategy. This global presence allows them to cater to a diverse client base across various industries, further solidifying their leadership in the data center market.
Investment and strategic initiatives. Let's talk about investments. Digital Realty sold non-core assets for $90 million and acquired properties worth $67 million. How do these moves align with their strategic goals?
These transactions are part of Digital Realty's strategy to optimize its portfolio by divesting non-core assets and investing in high-growth areas. The acquisitions, particularly in key markets like Los Angeles and Chicago, are expected to support significant IT capacity expansion.
And their strategic focus on Platform Digital.
Platform Digital is central to their strategy, offering a comprehensive data center platform that supports digital transformation and emerging technologies. With a development capacity of 5 gigawatts, Digital Realty is well positioned to meet the evolving needs of its customers.
Future outlook and CEO insights. Looking ahead, Digital Realty has raised its Core FFO outlook for 2025. What does this indicate about their future prospects?
The raised outlook, now between 7.32 and 7.38 cents, reflects confidence in sustained demand and operational performance. CEO Andy Power highlighted the strong financial results and robust enterprise demand, which provide clear visibility into 2026.
Any final thoughts from the CEO?
Yes, Andy Power emphasized the company's record Core FFO per share and double-digit growth in revenue and Adjusted EBITDA. He also mentioned the substantial backlog, which supports their growth trajectory and positions them well for future opportunities.